Hey guys, let's discuss this problem. This problem says the height of the right circular cylinder is 10.5 meter, 3 times the sum of the areas of its two circular face is twice the area of the curved surface face. Find the volume of the cylinder. So here in this problem, what have been given to you? You have been given that the height of this circular cylinder, which is h, is 10.5 meter. Now 3 times the sum of the areas of its two circular face, which is the top face and bottom face. The sum of the areas of two circular faces twice of pi r square, because the area of the top face as well as the bottom face are same. Now how many times of this area? 3 times of this area is twice the area of the curved surface. What is the area of the curved surface of the cylinder? It is 2 pi RH. And here you need to take the twice of it. Now let's equate both of them. This will be 6 pi r square and 4 pi RH. After cancellation, pi will cancel pi, r will cancel 1 r, you will get 6 r on your left hand side and 4h in your right hand side. Now you have the value of h, which is 10.5. Now let's calculate the value of r, which is 4h divided by 6. Value of h is 10.5. So here what you will get? 42.0 divided by 6. 7. So here the radius is coming out to be 7 meter, because height is in meter, so radius also is going to be in meter. Now you need to calculate the volume of the cylinder, and you know that formula for the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. You know the value of r, you know the value of h. Let's put both of these values in the equation and let's calculate the volume of the cylinder. So here volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. What is the value of pi? It is 22 by 7. What is the value of radius? It is 7 meter. So you can write r 2 times. And what is the value of h? It is 10.5. 7 will cancel 7. And what you will get? 22 into 7 is 154. And then let's multiply this with 10.5. So after evaluating this expression, what you will get? You will get 1617. 1617 meter cube. So this is the volume of the cylinder in this case. I really hope there should be no doubt after all this explanation. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.